Let's be real, shoe piles get out of control fast. I was tired of boxes collapsing, shoes getting dusty, and never finding the right pair. So I went out and bought 5 popular options claiming to be the best shoe storage box. I assembled them, stacked them, and lived with them so you don't waste money on the wrong one. Product number 1, INSTY 12-pack large shoe storage box. When I first handled the INSTY clear boxes, the plastic felt thick and rigid, not flimsy. The panels snapped together cleanly and the magnetic door actually clicked shut, which I didn't expect at this price. During daily use, I loved being able to see every sneaker without opening anything. The front drop door made grabbing shoes quick, especially when stacked high. Vent holes helped keep smells down after workouts and nothing warped under weight. I stacked all 12, gave them a gentle shake, and they stayed locked together. Assembly took me about 15 minutes with 0 tools. I even tested one in the entryway holding random stuff and it worked fine. If you've got a growing sneaker collection and want that clean display look without babying the boxes, this set makes sense. Speaking of sturdiness and looks, the next option surprised me in a slightly different way during my real testing. Product number 2, 7-code large clear shoe boxes organizer 9-pack. I noticed right away the 7-code boxes felt heavier than most clear organizers I've used. The plastic has this solid, almost cabinet-like feel, and the white frame makes them look cleaner in a closet. Once stacked, they didn't slide at all, even when I pulled shoes out one-handed. The magnetic door stayed aligned, which is usually where cheaper boxes fail. I tested sneakers, boots, and even hats, and everything fit without forcing it. I like storing shoes upright instead of sideways, which saved space. Assembly was straightforward. I didn't need the instructions for long. These held up well under full stacks and didn't bow. If you want something that feels more permanent and organized, especially for a family setup, this one's worth considering. That said, not everyone wants rigid plastic, which brings me to a softer alternative. I could see using these for years without worrying cracks or sagging. Product number 3, AAK shoe organizer for closet 2-pack. When I picked up the AAK fabric organizer, it felt totally different from the plastic ones. The Oxford cloth is flexible but sturdy and the zipper didn't snag once. I liked how the shoes sit vertically, which freed up shelf space fast. I adjusted the dividers to fit sandals, sneakers, and even folded clothes, and it handled all of it. The clear top made it easy to spot pairs without opening everything. I stored this in my closet and later folded it flat when rotating seasons, which was honestly convenient. It held more than I expected without sagging. This isn't for showing off sneakers, but for bulk storage and families, it's practical. If you need something collapsible and space-saving, this checks those boxes. Now let's get back to hardshell display options. I tested it fully loaded for weeks, without seams stretching or losing shape over time at all indoors easily. Product number 4, 7-code thicken and sturdy clear shoe storage organizer 6-pack black. Handling the black 7-code boxes, I immediately noticed how premium they looked. The darker frame hides scuffs better and gives a cleaner display. The plastic felt thick, and once assembled, the stack felt rock solid. I tested these with heavier boots and didn't see any bending. The magnetic doors lined up well, and opening them repeatedly didn't loosen anything. I liked that shoes could stand upright, which made each box easier to use. Assembly was quick, and everything clicked into place without forcing it. These are great if you want durability but don't love the all-clear look. For shared closets or visible rooms, they blend in nicely. If you're picky about appearance and strength, this one hits that balance. But there's one more option that surprised me on size. I stacked them high and never worried about tipping over even when kids bump the shelf during daily closet use. Product number 5, a Tellite shoe box organizer set of 6. When I unboxed the Tellite shoe boxes, the first thing I noticed was the size. These easily fit larger men's sneakers without squeezing. The plastic sides felt thick and the clear door showed everything cleanly. During testing, the magnetic door closed smoothly every time and the vents helped keep things from smelling stale. I stacked all 6 and liked how the interlocking design kept them aligned. Assembly was fast and I didn't need tools or extra hands. These worked great for display, especially if you rotate shoes often. They're simple, solid, and do exactly what you expect. If you wear bigger sizes or just want roomy boxes without fuss, this set delivers. And with that, you've seen how all 5 compare in real use. I left them stacked for weeks, and hinges stayed tight, with no cracks or magnets weakening over repeated daily opening cycles at home closet storage use. That's my hands-on take after actually living with these. Different needs, different winners. I've linked each option below so you can check current prices and availability. If organization matters to you as much as it does to me, one of these will fit.